Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's episode, we are going to learn about how we can create a term store at a site collection level. But before we move to the video, here is a short intro. I am sure you have heard of the term store if you enjoyed metadata. However, you will need access to the global term store in order to use it within the company. Most of the time, especially if you work for a big company, you wouldn't be able to do this because you need to have SharePoint administrator rights to access the SharePoint admin center in order to access the term store. But let's say how it will be if you can have term sets that can be shared between site collections. Sound exciting? I will describe how to establish term sets at the site collection level and then reuse in other site collection in this video. Okay, so I am in one of my development environment, development site collection and logged in with my one of the development user. First of all, let us go into the site settings. So to go there, I will click on site content, then on site settings, and here I will find the term store management that will be under the site administration. Here it is. Inside this term store management page, what I will do is I will create a new term set which will be under a site level term group. Okay, under the site collection. So let me go and add a new term set. I will create a term set called as colors. Hit enter so that it is added successfully. Let me add some example terms like red, green, purple, these three terms. Okay. So now I will go back to my Figure data test site collection and create new list in there. So let me just go to site content, click on new, create new list. I will create a blank list called as my metadata list. Okay, create. Now what I will do is I will create a column called as manage metadata column, provide a name as test metadata, and in the term set I will select my term set color, hit save again. So when I go and add new column, new value, sorry, let's say test one, I am able to select my colors, right? So to get this same term store being used in the another site collection, we have to follow some steps. Let me just go into the site settings. So for that, I will go and site content, then click on site settings and go in term store management. From here, what we have to do is we have to click on this return to classic link. This will redirect the page to the old school termstore manager.aspx page. From there, what we have to do is we have to select the site collection and then provide the name of the application site collection name or URL where we want to reuse our termstore. So right now I have already added my one of the other site collection called as benefits issues. Okay, so if I go and navigate to this benefit issue site collection and try to create one new list, let's say test metadata list and click on create. Let me create a column called which will be a manage metadata column like this, and let me select the term set. As you can see, I can have the same site collection and that same color term set under this new site collection benefits issue. I have created this color term set from my another site collection that is delta test. So now let's select me this term set color and click on save. Save again. So now if I somehow it's using from values like green, apply, taste, example, and click on save, I can have the green in here. So as you can see in these particular delta test site collection, I have this my metadata list where I can have the green. In here, I have also selected the green. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share or comment on the video and provide me your valuable feedback. If you are new to my channel, you can subscribe it and press the bell icon to get the new notification whenever I am uploading a new video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.